In this video, we're going to show you how you can change your name on TikTok. If this video does help you out, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really does help out the channel. Maybe you're rebranding or you just want a new name. Here's exactly how you can do it. Begin by actually opening up TikTok and then tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner to bring yourself to this page right here. You're going to notice that right below your profile picture right here, there's going to be an edit option. You're going to want to go ahead and click on this. It's going to be right next to where your name and username is. Open this up. It's going to open up a page that looks something like this, and you can start by changing your name. This name right here doesn't have to be unique and can be updated every 7 days. Type in whatever name you want and then hit save up in the top right corner. Below that section though is actually your username. Now your username must be unique, so keep that in mind, and it can only also be changed once every 30 days. Click on this option and you'll be prompted with the ability to change it. It's going to say exactly what I just said right below this in like smaller text. So you can read over that if you would want, but essentially you just need to go ahead and type in whatever new username you would want. Like for example, I can add a 1 to this and then hit save and I'll be good to go. Now, if it pops up with a little X, that means that username is unavailable, so keep that in mind. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.